Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today pag-uusapan natin ang Frost Kingdom, the first Web3 strategy game na inilunsad under the Cross Publishing banner. At kung first time mong makarinig ng SLGO strategy game, don't worry. I break down natin kung bakit interesting ang Frost Kingdom at kung ano ang pinagkaiba nito sa ibang strategy games. So ano nga ba ang Frost Kingdom? Basically, isa itong strategy game kung saan magsisimula ka sa sarili mong kingdom. Unti-unti mong papalakihin ang territory mo, magbubuild ng structures, magmamanage ng resources, at magpapalakas ng army mo. Habang lumalakas ka, mas marami kang features na maa-unlock at mas lalaki ang kingdom mo. Parang from small village vibes hanggang maging malaking empire. Hindi lang kingdom building ang focus dito. May heroes ka ring pwedeng kolektahin at i-develop. May 4th tier hero collection system. Kaya habang tumatagal, mas lumalawak yung roster ng characters mo. At syempre, may iba't ibang units na pwede mong i-recruit para sa battles. Kaya hindi lang puro upgrade ng upgrade. Kailangan mo ring isipin kung paano bubuuin yung strongest lineup mo. Now, ito yung interesting part. Maraming strategy games ang medyo intimidating para sa beginners. Pero sa Frost Kingdom, merong merge-driven system na tumutulong gawing mas approachable yung progression. Meaning mas madali kang makakasabay kahit baguhan ka pa lang. Pero at the same time, hindi nawawala yung strategic depth. So beginner-friendly siya, pero may strategy pa rin para sa mga competitive players. That's honestly one of the biggest selling points ng game. At kapag gusto mo naman ng mas malaking challenge, pwede kang sumali sa alliances at makisali sa large-scale PvP battles. Dito papasok yung teamwork, coordination, at strategy kasama ang ibang players. So ayun guys, that's Frost Kingdom in a nutshell. If gusto nyo pa ng more Frost Kingdom content, guides, and gameplay videos, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below. Ano ang mas gusto nyo? Kingdom building or massive PvP battles? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.